Next one is, so this is also one more confusing thing to understand, but let me tell in a simple way, or maybe let me try. Okay, so see, what is this business rules? Okay, and the business rule is on running on which table? Table. This table. Try to understand this concept, ma. This is very good one for business rules. Okay, business rule concept is kind of dangerous concept, not that much easy, not that in the sense. Okay, there are some complexions. So you will get that complexions. Okay, what kind of complexions? So see, in this particular instance, okay, these are the business rules available. Okay, these will be running on incident table. First statement, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, correct. Okay. Now, second thing is, okay, these business rules, let's forget about when. Okay, when is fine. It will tell the time exact placement when it will be running. But see here, insert true. Okay, update true. Okay, consider like maybe either you take one, okay, or you can take both. But for initially you take one. Insert equal to true. Okay, here out of 33, okay, 22 are insert equal to true. That means insert equal to false. Remaining maybe 10 are there. Okay, just keep it in your mind. But I will touch on this particular update. Okay, update equal to true because this is our example. No? Uh, Update equal to true out of 33, 25 means remaining 8, 8 or 9. 8 are off. Okay, so can I say the second line as these 25 business rules will run whenever an incident is updated in the system? Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everyone agree to this?
I'm sorry, can you see it again? I got distracted. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
You got distracted. So, so see, when I,
My kids is around me. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
no problem. So see, can I say these 25 business rules will trigger whenever any incident is updated in the system? Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, answer. Others, ma? Any no's here? Any no's? Anyone wants to say no here? Do you have dare to say no? Any no's, ma? Yes? Anyone? Everyone says yes here? Okay, I will say no.
No,
You have to check active
I
role.
don't
Ah,
see it.
active true is already there, ma. I made active true.
Okay.
So, see here, maybe I can say no. I will say no. And you ask me why. Why you said no? Okay, what the heck? Then I will say, okay, you are saying the business rule will trigger, right? But in business rule also you have conditions. The condition, based on the condition, okay, only it will run. Right? I may say like the maybe assignment group changes. That time only run the script. Right? You are saying it is update for every update it will run. But that particular script will only run when the assignment group field changes. So out of that 25, maybe one or two will run, not all, right? Is that correct
Correct.
statement? That is
Yep,
that is the same question Mona got asked in last batch also. Okay.
I did.
Yeah, you did. But
Oh, good.
everyone got this question ma, by any chance? Or now you got it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Okay. So see, business rule again. I'm defining the business rule is kind of a blind rule. Okay, business rule BR is okay a blind rule. Okay, and it triggers every time. Okay, like when I say it triggers every time means like when insert, when update, when delete. Those are the triggering points. Okay, not condition. But what is the other statement that I said, sir? Triggering is different. Running is different. Running the script is different, ma. Okay. So see, I asked Vedasri Garu to go to one house and then found Soumya Garu and then hit her on head. Okay. Going to that room is triggering condition. Okay, hitting on head is action, the script, advanced script. Okay, so every time one incident is updated, now she will go and then she will go to the room, she will go to the room, she will go to the room. But running the script now, like hitting on the head, maybe if Soumya Gar is not there, she don't hit. Maybe that condition there it will add. But going to the room is happening every time she's she's triggered. Like here, triggering is different, running the script is different. So when I said triggering, that's why I carefully used that word. Will it trigger? I didn't say will it run. Maybe you just this video you can watch this particular word again and again. Okay. Now my question is when and if any incident is updated in this database, okay, or 25 business rules will trigger or not? The answer is yes. They will trigger. Okay. Running the script, running the action may change based on their respective conditions. Right? This is how business rule will work. So the same point will get it in will be seeing in script include ma. The same point. Again, I will be repeating in script include, but just here also we are seeing. Okay. Now necessarily or unnecessarily system is running every business rule on updation or insertion. When if you say true here, that means if you keep true, that means for if I update one incident na, this 25 will trigger, but not 25 will run. Maybe 1 or 0 will run, whatever it matches the condition. Is that correct? Now is that clear? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is little sensitive, confusing, but yes. Okay, any no's here, ma? Anyone not clear? Please raise your hand. Okay.
Triggers mean checking.
Sorry, ma?
Trigger means checking all the instruments.
No, your voice is breaking. First, what is error means, huh? Error, huh? Trigger.
Ah, trigger means checking.
Trigger
Yeah,
means move it.
yeah.
Okay, go and check. Ah, yeah. See, you are doing two actions here.
Okay, okay.
Going to that room and doing it. So you are going to the room. So that means it is triggering, right? Action is started. So business one process, one transaction is happened. Okay. It have the further transaction or not depends on the particular business rule definition. You understood, huh?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So now I don't want to see the main concept here is because of our script. So now I am running a script. I am doing either insert operation or update operation. Okay. Because of this script. Okay, I'm again saying this script can be triggered from anywhere. Okay, because of this script, I don't want to trigger. I'm using the word trigger ma. I don't want to trigger any other business rules which are available on the system. Okay. Is there any option we have? Yes, we have one option. Okay. So gr dot set workflow equal to false. Okay. So now if you say this one, in case if any business rule is there which is triggering or running, triggering everyone will trigger, but even if someone once it is triggered, then only it will run. Na? So it will stop, it will prevent those runnings, extra runnings. Why we need to prevent it? Why? Because just to say now you are updating something here. Okay, what we are doing here, short description is updated. Now, in business rules, okay, there is one more business rule where it is saying, okay, run on incident table. Okay, condition is when short description changes, then they are mass updating maybe 100 records, 100 other incidents. So you are just updating one. Because of this update, maybe there is one more business rule which will update 100 more incidents. Who will bear that pain? Who will who will control that? You are understanding? Huh? You don't see everything, but tomorrow they will come and say you updated it. This 100 also you updated it. Why you updated? Or it's not like someone will ask, but it is impacting the other table data, other data, other record data, which we are not intent to do. Am I right?
Yes.
Everyone? Yes? No?
Yes.
Okay, yes, very good. So If it is yes, then this is the answer, set workflow equal to false. So see here, in the same example, they are keeping this one and also they are setting workflow equal to false. Do not run any other business rules. Okay. So yeah, however you understand, but the meaning is this one. Okay. These two are very, very, very important for interviews. How much important means you will you will get these questions in interviews. Okay. So please note it. Maybe you no need to practice this set workflow equal to false. You can't practice it, mate. It's like a virtual concept, but this one we practiced it. You also can practice. Okay. And if you want to practice this one, maybe you take this one as an assignment. Okay. So do one thing. Okay. If your script is this one, exactly this one, you are updating a field short description. You create one business rule. Okay. And the business rule condition is short description changes. When short description changes, okay, it needs, okay, let's write it. Maybe see here, ma. Practice this one. First requirement. Okay, maybe what we call it as requirement or
Assignment.
assignment. Homework. Kids,
Homework.
open your books. Show the homework. So see here. First, okay, understand this one again. Let's say I have an incident. Okay, the incident have child incidents. Okay, consider like this. Okay, updating short description in live environment is not a good one. Okay, we should not update. But consider like I updated this field. Where is that field? Maybe just to take one field. We have one extra field, no? Customer validation. Okay, maybe say yes. Okay, or if you have any other field, that also for practice purpose you take any field, it's fine. Okay, let's take this one and short description only you update it. When I update this one or this one, in this childs also the same value should update. If you are appending, maybe you have to update the same thing. So see here, I am updating SKFacts. Okay, something like short description plus I am updating testing for something. The testing for something should come here also for this incidents also. This is first requirement. Okay, this needs to be done via business rule. Okay, so create a business rule. Okay, when whatever the field you take it, if it is short description, if it is customer validation, whatever it is, if okay, short description changes. Okay, do the same change for child incidents also. This is first thing. Okay, second thing is this is one part ma. Okay, this is completely one job number one. Okay, so when you have this job in the system, it is working. Okay, now take any one of the incident, right? Maybe take the same parent incident only. Now with the background script, update the same incident. Okay, that time this particular one should not run. This business rule should not run. Uh, you have to work on it. Or take any incident which have some child incidents. Okay, you need to update only parent. You should not touch childs. You understood? You understood
Yes.
this one? Yes, Mona Garu, thank you. Others, ma, you understood? Okay,
Yes.
Sir, how to trigger the child incidents
that you need to find it. Ma,
with
you
the
asked
add joint query?
that you need to find it. You
That
asked for scenarios, na? Find it. I will I will
yes, sir. I'm
uh, I will tell you, ma. I will tell you. See, I will just give me 1 second. Run one business tool script to
okay.
update short description. Okay. Condition is the incident should have okay short child incidents. Okay, and make sure that the business rule should not run. So how you can say should not run means it should not update it. If you are updating here, if business rule is running means it will update for all of them. So first you need to test it first. You need to make this one in the system, then you need to check this one second. Okay, this is simple, but when it is simple is you should know the logic. Okay, so sir, I am here. So this is what Vedasri Garu and everyone's confusion first time. Okay, this looks very very complex scenario, but if you know the logic, this is same for problem also, ma. Okay, it is very easy. So see here, I am here. Okay, I am updating it, something like update, and I am expecting this update should go and update to all the child incidents also. Here, update should come. So how I will get these three incidents to update? This is our question, right? I need to get these three in gr, and then I can write, okay, gr dot short description equal to short description plus update and gr dot update. But how you get these three? That is our first question, right? Right, ma, Vedasri garu? This is what
Yes.
your question, right? Okay.
Can we do with add joint query?
Not required here. Giant
Okay.
queries and all not required. Okay. So see, everyone, till this point clear, ma?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now see the connection between this one and this one is, okay, if you see the related list, now the definition of related list somewhere, okay, you will identify it. But see here, parent incident equal to this one. Okay, so go to any one of these three or all three also, right? So the connection between this incident 457, the 457 reference somewhere it will be there. Okay, where it is first time you don't know, so just go, okay, show XML 457. So it is there, parent underscore incident. So there is a field on incident table, okay, called parent underscore incident, which is this one. Okay, parent underscore incident. So if this is a child incident for any one of the incident, then that incident will come as a parent incident here. So for all these three, this field will be marked with parent incident, this number. Okay, if it is like a, if this incident is a child record of a problem, then problem will come here. So same logic. Okay, this particular explanation will cover two things, ma. Whatever we given the, I think first example is this one, second example is problem, and third one is again this one. So it covers three of your scenarios. Okay, so see one incident you've seen it here, and second incident also you can see here. Okay, for that also parent incident equal to this is marked. Third is this one. Okay, so when a parent incident equal to this one, then it will come here. This is the logic, system logic, out of the box logic. First point, is that clear, ma?
Sir, I got it. If
Wait, ma,
if you
wait.
want to,
Ah,
okay.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry, ma. Please finish it. If you want to,
Uh, what about custom table? Will we can update the child records of custom
what is the
table?
relation? So you need to find out first how they are showing there, even if it is custom table also. Okay, I will cover one more example, ma. That time you will understand little deeper. Okay,
Okay.
not to, don't take like
Okay.
a
Okay.
custom
Okay.
table. It is also a table, but not every related list will associate with this logic. Okay, that may be
Yes.
your
Yes.
question.
Yes. Got it.
So,
Yes. Yes.
okay, first we'll finish this one and then we'll go to that one. Okay, so now how I can get this one in our query. Okay, so see here you have link na, right click, new window. It opens the those records. Okay, so this is also list of incident record and it is applying a filter. What is this filter? The filter is something like, okay, I am taking the parent incident number here. Where is the number, ma? This one. Okay, so what exactly they are doing is just now this is our script. You need to build. See here, where gr equal to new glide record of incident table. Okay, and gr dot add query of, okay, parent underscore incident field equal to this one. So you get three records in gr, while gr dot next, gr dot short description equal to gr dot short description plus update something gr dot update. Okay, the plus dot update, na, that is what you need to update. You understood, huh? Whatever you are getting, like whatever you are updating for parent instance, the same thing you need to update for here. So you can say gr dot short description equal to current dot short description. The current is your parent, so if you are writing in a business rule, you can write after business rule here. You understood this line, ma?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
one understood, others no, right? Okay, who
You give the answer already.
no, yeah, I know. So see here, I am for the same thing, I am writing a business rule. Okay, so just to try, just understand names and all don't see. Okay, but the table is important. You are not you didn't practice the business rules, ma. That is, I think I can say. Okay, you are just understanding it, so but not practiced it. So what I am trying to say is, I am writing a business rule after business rule. Okay, and whenever short description changes, it will work. Right now, when short description changes on this table, so means on this record, okay, what I need to do is, okay, I need to go to this table, okay, again, and gr dot add query of number equal to, I need to pass the number of this one. How I can pass? Current dot, here current will come sysid, sorry, number. If I take sysid, maybe it will also take sysid. Okay, so the current dot number is what, ma? This one. You are running. Okay, now if you build this business rule, okay, this one will run here because you are updating here. So let's try it maybe. Okay, so changes, right? After business rule, maybe just keep this one 10,000 so that it should not have any conflicts for a safer side. Okay, so this one not required. If you don't execute now, it will take a lot of our time. That's what I am not running it. But concept is same. Okay, gr dot query. Okay, while, okay, gr dot next. Okay, so let's say gr dot short description equal to current dot short description. So current is changed there, right? So that value, the changed value, you are getting it. Okay, so gr dot update. If you say before business rule, maybe it don't work because it's not yet changed. So gs dot log or info. Okay, gr dot number is updated the short description from business rule. Okay, we can see the values directly there, or we can't maybe. GS start number, GS start number. Okay, ma. So now, now if I run this now, how many people understood this one now? Whoever said no earlier, is that now understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Monagar, is that understandable?
Yep.
Okay. Now let's execute, but don't ask me if it don't work because I need to cover some topics. But it should work as per my knowledge, if it says correctly. So incident table, when run, after, update, advanced, and execute rule, going to the table, number, current number. Okay, sysid also I can take it. Okay, if I want to take sysid, I can take the sysid also. Both are same. Okay, but sorry. No, this is wrong, ma. Okay, this should be parent. If we, it won't work. The one which we written is not don't work. This one we need to query. We need to get those three now. To get those three, this should be the there. This should be the logic. Okay, and this one is current dot sysid because that is a reference field. Very good. Now it will work. Agree?
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see.
Okay. So earlier also you said yes.
Change my mind.
Sir, this child incident means we have to dot working.
Oh no man, no need to dot work. See, that's what I showed now, where I've opened incident table and then showed that filter. So see how you are getting this three, ma. You no need to dot work. You have a field which is having a relation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the same thing which I am doing it. So I am going to all, okay, and then I am getting that sysid of this parent incident because that is a reference field now. So I'm passing the sysid and then I'm getting those three and I am applying my operation on those three.
Okay, sir.
Right. So now let's run it. It looks correct now for me. Let it run. So let me save it. Okay, so current dot short description. Okay, very good. So where is our parent table? Parent incident here. So this is our parent incident. Okay, so I'm updating this incident. Okay, so here uh, it should be anything. Okay, maybe, but the problem is it will update the same thing for all. But let it be. Okay, yes, updating for BR test. Okay, so the same short description of current should also pass to this one, these three. Okay, maybe this is not good one short description related, but it may be good for some other values, maybe closed, okay, or maybe closure comments, work notes. See here, after business rule ran or not. So,
Yes, it did.
so the same thing, sim blocked updating, okay, BR, okay, see here, these were the previous values for those three. Okay, when I updated it, okay, and the business rule ran and updated the same current dot, okay, short description to the child incidents also. So if I refresh it now, you will see the difference. It already happened, ma, but to show I am showing it. Vedasri garu, correct na?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Everyone understood this one?
Uh, I I didn't know this logic.
This is the primary thing, ma. We need to understand these things. Okay. Now let's say one more situation. Like let's say see here, adding user to remove user. Yes, ma, any questions? So adding or removing user, please keep it on mute. Okay. So adding or removing user. Now what is the connection here? So the connection is GR member table, adding a user or removing a user. So this is, you can't apply the same logic of incident parent incident to this one. Okay, this is a different logic. You need to go here. Okay, if it is already there means you need to query whether it is there or not. If it is there, delete it. If it is not there, don't touch it. Create it. You understood?
Yes.
Okay, so first to try to understand the structure and then the requirement and then build the code. Okay, then only you can able to fill it. And Mona garu, you asked one requirement for show me one example for after async business rule, right? This one can be the answer. If I keep it async, then it will also work in async, as it is a very uh, shorter operation. I can keep it in after. But if it is maybe it is doing something in other platform where it takes a lot of time, maybe I will keep it in async business rule. Make sense?
I will test it. I'll let you know.
Yeah,
Yep.
sure. Okay. Everyone understood this one, ma? Please acknowledge. Yes, very good. Very good. Uh, very good. Today is not. Okay, just give me a minute. Uh, right. So we are done with this two. Now, see, this job is this one. Okay, but now if I execute one business rule, okay, for any other table, any other incident where it have child incidents, na, that should only update to the parent. It should not touch the child. That's what my second job. How I can do? I need to add one line here, set workflow equal to false. You understood? From this one, we are digging into that topic. You got it? So now take one more.
Yes.
Okay, let's run it now, maybe. So see here, I'm running on this one. Okay, let's run it. So okay, so see here, these three are updated, na? Okay, why they are not showing? They are updated. Now see, I'm running this one. Okay, and I'm adding this one like okay, SKFacts. Okay, B19 become 100 student batch. Okay, so like this. Now I'm updating this short description to this one as per that business rule. Okay, it will also change to childs. Okay, if it is there. Now I want to don't run it. So maybe I can run it first by showing both things, and I will show without updating also. Now I am updating this one. So run it. Okay, so see here, it is telling like it is updated, and also there is a business rule which ran and it updated something else. Okay, so just see this one. Okay, this is like just give me a minute. Okay, this is updated. B19 become 100 students batch. Okay, and now refresh it. So the business rule also run. Okay, this is the one which I said, right? You are updating one record from your script, but you don't know what is the impact of that particular update on other records. Okay, now our job is, I don't want to do this job, but I want to only touch my record. That's it. So now what I do, okay, I'll go here. This is our and okay. Also it crossed to 103. Okay, now I am using set workflow equal to false. Okay, sorry, set workflow equal to false. So when I use set workflow equal to false, it will not trigger, it will not run the associated business rules. So now run script. Okay, it is, see the other what do you see, the other, okay, the other message you didn't see now. Okay,
Other business.
business rule message or this like you kept some log, gs.log, na, those gs.log also didn't see. Okay, the short description is now, okay, this one it is changed, but did it change it, these other things like the business rule? Did the business rule run?
No.
No. See here again in the list view also to cross verify, no. So this is your assignment. I did that assignment. Teacher only did it. What is what is the meaning of calling assignment? Then practice, right? Practice it.
I like this class.
Yeah, I
Much
know,
better.
I know. Okay, ma, everyone understood. So uh, this is the one you need to change a little bit based on your thing. Okay, background script.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, 1 second. Can you please give me 1 second, please?
Okay, sir.